Aslamu alaikum, my little angels, my sweethearts. Come on, settle down in your soft beds, close your eyes gently, and let your Ammi's voice take you on an incredible journey tonight. We are going to speak about a prophet of Allah, Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, a man whose heart was filled with the light of knowledge like a shining star in the sky. Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, was a noble descendant, a great-grandson of the first man, Prophet Adam, alayhi salam. Many years had passed after Prophet Adam, alayhi salam, and his righteous son, Prophet Sheeth, alayhi salam, when darkness slowly began to creep into the hearts of people. That is when Allah chose Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, to carry the light of prophethood forward. His original name was Akhnuk, but because he spent every waking moment in Daras, studying, and Tadris, teaching, he was lovingly named Idris. He loved knowledge so much that he constantly pondered the vastness of the universe, the stars, the earth, the clouds, seeing the magnificent creation of Allah in every single detail. Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, dedicated his life, his body, and his soul to worshipping Allah and seeking knowledge. Allah granted Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, secrets of the world that no one before him knew. Can you imagine? He was the first human being in history to ever pick up a pen and write with it, using ink and paper. This was a miracle. He taught his people how to record knowledge so it could last forever, and Allah revealed 30 small scriptures, Suhuf, to him. But his innovations didn't stop there. Before him, people wore rough animal skins or plain, uncomfortable fabrics. It was Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, who taught humanity the art of weaving fabric and sewing clothes. He was the first tailor, and it is said that he would remember and praise Allah with every single stitch he made, showing us that even our daily work can become an act of worship. Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, helped people establish proper, clean, and organized cities, urging his people to seek knowledge and live an honorable life. The main purpose of Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, was to call people back to the worship of the one true God, Allah. He spoke with such gentleness and wisdom, patiently reminding them of the rewards of paradise. For 3 days a week, he would preach, and for 4 days, he would dedicate himself purely to Allah's worship. Yet, despite his tireless efforts, most of the people in his city of Babylon chose to disobey and stray into sin. With a heavy heart, and after receiving a command from Allah, Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, gathered the few faithful and announced that they must leave their beloved home. When his followers worried about where they would find a place as beautiful as Babylon, Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, responded with absolute certainty, "If we migrate for the sake of Allah, He will surely provide us with a better place." They then journeyed to Egypt, and upon seeing the beautiful Nile River, Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, prostrated in thanks to Allah for His immense bounty, and continued his mission there. Now listen closely, for this is the most extraordinary part of the story. Because of the great sacrifices and devotion of Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, Allah decided to grant him an exceptional reward. One day, Allah informed him that he would receive double the reward of his daily worship. Allah decided to grant him an exceptional reward. One day, Allah informed him that he would receive double the reward of his daily worship, meaning the combined reward of all the people of his time. Overjoyed, but wanting to do even more good, Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, saw that his time in the world was drawing near and realized he was not ready to stop performing good deeds. Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, asked one of his angel friends, who regularly visited him, if he could speak to the angel of death to request an extension of his life. The angel replied that this matter was in the hands of Allah, but agreed to try, saying there was no harm in asking. The angel agreed and carried Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, upon his wings, flying up through the first, second, and third heavens. When they reached the fourth heaven, they met the angel of death, who was descending towards earth. The angel friend conveyed Prophet Idris, alayhi salam's request. The angel of death looked puzzled and exclaimed, "Where is Idris, alayhi salam?" The friend replied, "He is right here, upon my back." The angel of death was astonished and said, "Subhanallah, I was just commanded to take the soul of Idris, alayhi salam, in the fourth heaven, and I wondered how I would do that when I thought he was on earth." And right there, in the fourth heaven, Allah took the soul of Prophet Idris, alayhi salam, and raised him to a unique and honored rank, just as the Holy Quran states, "And we raised him to a high station." So, My beautiful children, the life of Prophet Idris alayhi salam teaches us that knowledge is the key to all success. Be curious, be patient, and always remember Allah in everything you do. If you work hard and walk on the path of truth and goodness, Allah can raise you to heights you can't even dream of. Now, drift off to sleep. Tomorrow we will listen to the thrilling story of Prophet Moses, Musa and Pharaoh. To make sure you don't miss our next project, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. If this video helped you, smash the like button to let us know and share it with a friend who needs to see this. Good night. Allah Hafiz.